Hello, my sisters. Today is the presentation. My brothers and sisters wear a t-shirt. This one, I see, is a round neck. It's going to be right around the corner. My hands will be a bit. It's light. Just light. Hands are normal, especially this shirt. For my middle-aged sisters. Well, it looks very cool and wear very comfortable. Then we'll start together. Go into the design of this shirt. If you watch it, please remember to like the channel. If you like this one, but I don't know how to be lucky, comment, let me know. When you get 10 comments, I will show you how to sew directly on the fabric. This one, I'll take the long one. The length of the dress is 60. It depends on the girls, but it is long. This shirt has to be butt covered. When I get to 60, I will. Who cross a road? Then I'll take a shoulder to shoulder, and it will be equal to 3 divided by 2 is equal to 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. Crossing a line is 16. Down to 4. Then you'll marry her. Is the stock divided by 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. I took 6. Then connect root 6 to this lower root 4. If I lower my chest, I will take it. Divide by 5 and you add by 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2, I get 18. I took it down to 18. And a perpendicular line. And then across the chest, you're going to take it by the chest. Divide 4 plus 2 by 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. I took a root of 22. Then I'll take the lower waist. 2 waist here I took is equal to 35 according to the measurement. All the roads you took. It's from this sidewalk. Let's make a perpendicular line down. Then I'll make it from the waist here. Divide 4 plus divide to 80, 64. Divide by 4 plus 2 and we get 18. You took over 18. Then the ass. You can see your ass divided by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2, we get 22. Brother-sister took over 22. And then here we'll connect the side road. Let me take a look at this shirt. The color of this shirt is live. It's split. You can split 7 gasoline here. I will go live. From here you go up to 7 petrol. This road will be a crossroads. You just need to come up and give me some gas. We get the form here. From here, we'll build a perpendicular line. You two back off. Let's split it in half again. Grind for armpits. Then, if you do this, I will give you 3 pieces of shit. I took the gasoline. Then, this one is it. If you have a light heart, come down from here. We split this road in 2. I can draw Tim's neck here. And then after that we get the body first. In this form, I will start drawing for the back body. But do you remember that? My shoulder is not the number 32. Other numbers, you replace them. Then I'll take the number 16 that it follows. My shoulder number. What ancient example of the sisters before? If you come in here, 5 minus 5. 7 from here, ladies. Measured is 7. It's like this, these numbers. This chest ring has also changed. These numbers will change according to this. Your models. So for example, your ass is 100. You can replace 100 here. If your waist is 80, you can change it to 80. 2 breasts of 100 are replaced here. I will change according to my body. From here, I'll give you to gas. Then I drew the armpit line. From here, I will give you 7 glasses. Here's a gasoline. Then this part, you will turn. Turn down. Come on down and give me for gas. Then we'll get the latter part. Well, it's here. I'll draw for the front and back. First, it will be the right part. Double up, ladies. So here I'm going to put this body together. I cut this in half. I was wrong about Arabic. So you will turn it around. This double part, ladies, lining me down one bottom. One more. In a moment, we'll open the raw body. And now I'm going to start cutting. I cut the back and follow the red line. Please note that my model does not have seams. You have to leave the seams. Then we'll cut it. Back body according to the front body. Then you can take the back cover for me. Here, I'll take it up here. Your body will be reduced later. Give me a gallon of gas on my chest. Then, just like that, we'll get the body. This body later. Later on, you guys, if you have a double cloth, you can multiply it by 1. After we've done it, the rest you leave alone. Then to the body first. The first part, you will leave the body here. Here you leave the body. And then I'm going to cut the collar, Tim's neck. Then you guys cut in. Let's go around the armpit. And with this model, ladies, the part. It's a casual shirt. And I cut it, so that's the part. My ass is not cut. Then, after you've done that for the body part, the shirt before, when you are done, you will open it. And we'll have 2 body layers. In the class below, you keep it. The upper body layer, you will put it close to this eyelid. And from this eyelid down here, come on, give me 15 meters of gas. 15. From here, it's 15. This is Tim's neck from part 15. Here you are. From this part 15, you measure in, give me 4 inches. And we'll connect from this Tim's street. You are connected. Then say the straight Tim line ha. Then you split this in half. To divide in half means to divide 4 times. Then half of this heart. Then you will beat me out. Half a day in 2, give me 7. Then we go. Here you go in, give me 5 glasses. And we're going to hook this part in, give me a part. And we're going to bend. Then you hit the curve. That way you'll get the curve. For this part of the shirt, you cut this out. That's it. If we cut it like this, we will get a piece. The shirt that will have a landing pad on it. Then this piece you will border. And then the piece below. Then it's going to be a support for the top. You put the button here. So for the piece down here, this corner, remember to press the button here. Here, it's got a splint. Then we can just install the hidden button. Or you can sew fake sugar in here. So this is how we're going to do it. This type of shirt, ladies. This is the back of the body. These 2 pieces, it's the front body. Then later, when the sisters, once done, we will follow. The sleeve part. I'll measure the armpit ring on my body. The weight in front of me is 20. Sorry, to 2. The back armpit. We also measured 22. Then we'll have 2 armpit lines on the body. The front and back are 20 and 2. 2, you will. Let's start by drawing for the sleeve. Well, here I am. Out of paper suddenly, so I'll tell you quickly how to draw. We'll measure from up here. I took it with my chest. Divide by 10 sisters plus 5. So the chest here is 80 divided by 10 plus 5. We get 13. I'll measure your arm length from here to here. If you go down from here, it's 13. The breasts of other sisters. The number 80 you change into the chest is the chest line. Then we'll continue this. Then you'll get me 22 plus 22. Then raw for 4. Dividing 2 is 22. Then from here we put it over here. Then we'll have a corner. It's 22 millimeters of gasoline. This curve of mine is going to be equal to this number. Split in 2. Then you will draw down 1 inch and up. Then we'll get the sleeve part. You'll get a sleeve like this. And then we're going to connect the arm. This hand will slightly retract at the bottom. So from here you're going to connect this straight up. I'm missing a piece, so I put glue on it. And here we cut for the sleeve. This hand. From top to bottom, draw the line. Perpendicular here, we may pull the knob in. Then we'll get the sleeve part. This will be double. Open the front hand. I'll cut it down. Give me a piece. I just finished sharing it with my whole family. The way we designed this shirt. I wish my sisters every success. If anything is unclear, please comment below. I will look. If there is a comment, I will respond. For my sisters. Haha. Love this one and want to cut it. Fortunately, you remember to comment. Thank you. Hi. See you all.